Hello, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so please help me to click like and share this video. Okay, so today content will be the same as usual. Okay, we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMKLCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Oh, you got COVID ah? Okay, so get well soon. Okay, just quarantine and yeah, drink more water. Okay, so today after the market outlook, we'll go through the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stock's name, okay, and your intention, okay, whether you are looking for entry or you already entered, okay, you are looking for a exit plan, okay, whether you are looking for a TP or SL level. Okay, so disclaimer, okay, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Okay, let's go for the US market first lah. Okay, US market last week weekly closing not good. Okay, we can see they already third week. Okay, very bearish. Okay, so far, okay, they try to supported by, okay, their immediate support is 28.7k. Okay, for Dow Jones. And if we can see Thursday, Friday market not so good, but today at the moment, Asian market and Euro session, the bull is make a comeback, but okay, we still got 1 hour for the US market to open. Okay, whether later will U-turn or not, we see how it's going. If this level, okay, unable to hold, 28.7k unable to hold, their next level could be around somewhere around 28 and 27.5k. Okay, so hopefully they can bounce off from this level lah. And if they can go up, okay, their resistance 29.2k. S&P as well, okay, last week also not doing that well, and today they do press all the way down to 3560, currently rebounded and trading at 3616, and also depending on US market open and closing lah. Okay, if they can go up, watch out on their resistance 3650, 3720. Nasdaq, okay, the last week, okay, closing around 11k. Okay, this morning they do press down all the way near to 10.8k. Okay, at the moment, okay, we hope lah by today end of day they can close above 11k. Okay, if so do so, they do have chance to bounce off from 11k to 11.2k or even 11.5k. But weekly point of view for three of this market still still in very bearish. Okay, bear is still in control. Okay, let's go for the okay, oil first. Oil last week weekly closing is neutral. Okay, bull and bear is still fighting at here. And today morning, okay, this today for the market Asian and Euro session, the oil price is spiking up. So we see whether by tonight they can go above 84k. Okay, see whether they can go above 84k. Sorry, $84. Okay, so but overall the structure, okay, for oil is still downtrend. Okay, so we see whether they can challenge their $84, $88. Okay, I'm still slightly bearish on oil unless they can recover back above $90. Okay, for WTI. And about the gold, okay, on 28th of September, they do have a bounce off. And for the resistance, okay, 1680, still the same. They need to go through above, only got chance to rally out further. Otherwise, I see more downside on them lah. Okay, but lucky thing, the dollar is getting slightly weak already lah. Okay, so we can see the dollar is still trading within the uptrend channel. Okay, recently they got rejected by 114. Okay, so as long as they keep dive down, okay, market still got chance to rebound. Okay, for the next support, I will see about 111 and 110. How about Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin consider neutral lah, as we can see since mid September until now, they are just trading within a range. Okay, 18.8k to 20k. So pending for breakout on either way. Okay, break above 20k or break below 18.8k. Okay, Ethereum as well. I think Ethereum looks weaker lah. Okay, if compared with the Bitcoin. Okay, so far they keep resisted by 1004, and currently, okay, yesterday break below 1003. We see the immediate support 1250. And how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, FBM KLCI already sell down for quite many trading days already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 trading days already. And finally, today we see a hammer. Okay, we can see this is a hammer. But okay, for this hammer to be successful, okay, rebound off, they need to clear off 1004. Okay, meaning that tomorrow closing must be above 1004. Then we only can see 1410 or going up higher. And also, hopefully, okay, tonight the US market closing can close green, at least with a bullish sentiment, so that tomorrow, okay, KLCI only have the chance, okay, to bounce off further. So based on this, I think the chances of rebound is still there, lah. Okay, provided the US market, okay, don't close too bearish. Okay, as long as they close green, I think tomorrow KLCI got chance to bounce off. So need to challenge 1004 and 1410. Okay, if fail to go above 1004, okay, their next resistance could be 1380. Okay, let's go for the stocks Q&A. Okay, please help me to click like and share this video. Okay, tonight I think got lesser viewers. Okay, let's go for the first Q&A. Inari. Inari break 250. Okay, as we can see on 28th of September. Okay, previously I do mention that 263 is a strong support. Okay, they already broke down with a very bearish candle lah. Okay, so these few days also neutral, nothing much. And today, market open, gap down, and close low, close at 247. Okay, so for the next support, I would say around 240 already lah. Okay, 240, 238. Okay, around here. So since they are still bear, so just wait lah. Wait for the price to go at least minimum 240 and below. Only consider to look for the entry. Okay, another plan is unless tomorrow closing, okay, we can see a bullish candle close above 250 and stay firm above, then maybe this is a potential bottom. Okay, we can do some rebound trade. Okay, otherwise based on today price session and the structure, I think they do have a chance to visit 240. Okay, even they can bounce off, I think, yeah, 263 would be their resistance already. Okay, so let me see anything to add on. Okay, the sentiment MACD is still weak lah. Okay, review Masing. Masing downtrend. Let me see anything. Okay, they do have a spike back in 2020 October. Second spike is on 2021 April, but this one obviously the strength is lesser lah compared with previous spike. Okay, and then turn into downtrend. So downtrend since last year already lah. Okay, last year June. So far we can see they also have a sell down since mid September. Okay, today finally they have a bullish candle. Okay, Friday closing neutral, today with a bullish candle. So for Masing, I think they do have a potential for temporary rebound. So maybe we can use today bottom is 485, closing 505. So we can use this as a potential rebound trade lah. Okay, to be honest, the momentum sentiment all is favored to the bear. Okay, and based on today price action, I think they do have a potential to bounce off a little bit more. Okay, so as long as they stay above 485, I think it's still all right. And their strong resistance would be this level 535. Okay, and if they go below, no game. So if we base on the risk reward ratio lah, okay, your risk is until below 485, your reward, okay, if you get about 50 cents lah, okay, your reward would be okay lah, slightly higher than your risk lah. Okay, review MUI. Why suddenly big volume? Let me see. I also not sure. We prop, I think. Not this one. Let me see. Got any Mui? Mui industry. I think this one, right? This one, I cannot tell why suddenly they got the. I believe these stocks lah. Okay, because they do have a high volume on today. Okay, I do not know, but this is a penny stocks. Okay, if we scroll back, back in 2020, 21, okay, 2021 August, they do have a spike up with volume back in 16 and 17. Okay, so after that, press down, continue sideways. So yeah, back in 2020 October as well. Okay, they do have a spike out with huge volume and then continue sideways. So this is quite common. If we look back on the historical chart, okay, this is quite common that for penny stocks. Okay, on and off, they do have a huge volume come in. Okay, you can see March also got, April last year lah. Okay, June, yeah, here also got last year August. So yeah, if we base on the recent activities, indeed they do have more trading activities lah. Okay, since May until now. Okay, and the trend, the sentiment is slightly better if we compare with last year or last 2 years. So maybe we can set a level for them lah. Okay, as long as they stay above 0.085, I think the opportunity is still there. Okay, but if they go below, meaning that no game ready, they might sideways. Okay, but this is a penny stocks for technical a little bit difficult to read lah. Okay, and this is considered a high risk and high reward counters lah. Okay, if you can go out, I think next level. Let me see. Before they clear off, okay, they need to go 110 first. After they clear above 110, we only can see 135. Okay, if go below 0.085, most likely they might sideways lah. Okay, so next is the Chin Hin. Hey, Chin Hin so far no comment lah. So far still bullish lah. Okay, still bullish looking, and as long as they stay above for the breakup trade lah. Okay, because recently they do have a breakup on 20th of September. Okay, they do have a breakup above 268 274. Okay, as long as they stay above this zone, okay, which was a resistance now turn into support. As long as they stay above, I think they still have the potential to hit three ringgit. Okay, but if they go below, okay, also that they already break below the 20 MA, so they might go to 250 or 240. Okay, and the trend will change if the price go below 240. Okay, if really go below 240, I think not so good already. They might go to 2 ringgit. Okay, Sci-Tech. Sci-Tech. Okay, recently got some rejection. Some rejection back in mid September. Okay, when they try to break out 370, 375. Okay, and Thursday closing neutral. Friday got a hammer like candle lah. Okay, and okay, and they do press all the way down to 335 and bounce off, close above 346. Okay, today closing is 349. So for Sci-Tech, they need to go above 35 overs. Okay, because this is a 50 and 100 MAs resistant. Okay, once they can clear off and get supported, okay, maybe they do have a chance to fill the gap. This is a gap back in 26th of September. Okay, I assume this is their next resistance. Once they can, once they can manage to clear off 350, next resistance to wash out 360. Okay, but they do a little bit weakening lah. Okay, so I don't think the rebound will go too far. Okay, so maximum I see is about 360, provided they clear off 350. Okay, review red tone. Red tone hit resistance already. Okay, if we scroll out and see, this is a resistance back in 2021 November, 22 January. Okay, this year January, February, and 29th of September, they do hit again 475. Okay, we can see 1, 2, 3, and another time. So they already okay based on the historical chart lah. Okay, every time they hit they were gonna press down 2, 3. So today, okay, I think last week lah. Okay, last week already hit 475 with huge volume. So this could be a lot volume stuck over here. So what I see is red tone might go back to retest about 450 first lah. Okay, 450 to 440. Okay, 440, 450. This is their immediate support zone. If they go below, I think most likely they will go back down to maybe 40 cents. Okay, but of course, on the way got some minor support like 425, 420 there. Okay, but if they go below 440, short term wise, not so good looking lah. Okay. Okay, KGB. KGB pun kena. Okay, what we can see, this is a resistance back. Let me see. This is 142. You see 142 this level was a support back then, right? So attempt breakdown, breakdown, okay, break below 142, sell down, rebound, retest 142, okay, unable to go through, and recently also rejected by 142. So I think for this case, they might go to fill the gap lah. Okay, they might fill the gap here. Okay, about 124. Okay, about 124. This is the gap back in September, 6th of September. So since recently already break below the 200 MA, 20 MA also break. Today break below 50 MA. So if the bear continue, I think they might go visit 124. Okay, to fill the gap lah. And then we see any support over here. If continue breakdown, then 112 or even lower. Okay. Okay, Infotech. Infotech so far they still above 40 cents lah, so it's still okay. But one thing tell me okay, just be careful lah, something. Okay, this is a new counters okay. They started back in July, okay, mid-July until now. So less than half year only got few months data for me to analyze. But if we based on the support resistance point of view lah, this was the resistance, right? So after they break up, here turn into support. Okay, so 40 cents and 405 is a important level for them. Okay, but another thing to take note is this is a first high. Okay, let me delete all first. Okay, this is a high and the high is getting lower. Okay, what if they break down? Okay, if they break down, no longer good looking. Okay, they might go to 350 or even lower. Okay, if they do supported, okay, they could form a potential triangle. So pending for a breakout for continuous trend. Okay, but if they break down, no game. Okay, they might go to 350 or even lower. So for Infotech, they need to stay above 40 cents. Okay, but MACD not so favor to them. Okay, and recently they do break below 20 MA. So these two indicators shows that okay, this is some warning signs lah. Okay, and the last warning is 40 cents. If go below, is a confirmation that not so good already. Okay, Anju. Okay, Anju. After a series of sell down, okay. So this is a level 895. I think I mentioned earlier Wow, this one need to track back to the support back in 2019. Okay, 895 lah. Okay, scroll back. Yeah, actually, this support not so strong lah. Okay, this support not so strong, but they do attempt to take a pause at here. Okay, what we can see recently, this is today, last week. Okay, what we can see, this is a sell down. Okay, last week, Thursday, Friday, they do form a so-called mini hammer lah. Okay, mini hammer, and today closing. Okay, today the chart lah consider is neutral. Okay, nothing much. And the things I worry is not enough volumes lah. Okay, for today, last week hammer not enough volume. But if you want to do some bottom trade, okay, this do is a signal lah. Okay, to do some bottom trade. Okay, but all the momentum sentiment is not favor to bull lah. Okay, even they can rebound up. We just see they can rebound up to fill the gap lah. Okay, because they do have a gap here and combine with the hammer. Okay, so the trade plan for the rebound trade is my cut loss I put below 885. Okay, SL if and look our potential uh target, okay, could be around 940. Okay, TP. Okay, so as long as they sideways and stay above, do nothing. Okay, no need to cut loss or what. And if they bounce off, can consider to take profit. Okay, if they go down, cut loss. Okay, but the chances of going down, I think is still there lah. Okay, because the big trend is still bearish. Okay, how about the top glove? Okay, let me see. Top glove, they do have a bounce on Friday. Okay, but no continue lah. Okay, the bull didn't continue to push out. Okay, what we can see on Friday and today, just these two candle. Friday closing is here, 625. Today market open, gap down, and close low. So this become that, okay, made the candle looks like this lah. Okay, not so strong. Okay, not so strong. Okay, let me see anything I can. If we look back, overall the trend is still very weak. Okay, I think I do mention that their next stronger support is we look back on here lah. Okay, this is a 2015 resistance turned into support back in 2016 August. Okay, so the level is about 555 plus minus lah. Okay, so yeah, maybe this is their one of their last defense. If go below, I think 50 cents also possible. Okay, so for top growth, I think if can also do some rebound lah. Okay, only rebound lah. But the chart not so convince me lah this time. Okay, not so convince me. So if you want to do bounce off trade, okay, cut loss lah. If go below 555, or you can wait at 555. Yeah, if 555 fear to hold, next level is about 50 cents already. Okay, they are into a downtrend. The downtrend is last year already. Okay. So if they can bounce off, I think about 650, 690 there low. Okay, but if can, we wait for the price stabilize first. Okay, just like this. Okay, when stabilized, we still can bet for the bull or bear. Okay, but most of the time lah, okay, bear in control. Okay, how about the any EP for Scenic? I think this one a bit overshoot. No yet, not yet. Don't do anything. This one. Okay, this one they do have a good run up since end of July lah. Okay, end of July, and we can see from here to here they are already run up for about 90% plus plus. Okay, so if you plan to enter at here, you think they still can go up how much? Okay, so what happened last week? They do have a pump out on 29th of September. Okay, they hit 131. Okay, and on Friday, market open gap down sedikit and close low, erase previous day's wins. Okay, erase previous day gains. And if we look into the volumes, Friday volume consider high also. Okay, and today break below this level. Okay, 119 support already broken with another huge volume. So in my opinion is not so good. Okay, maybe we can wait around 1 ringgit. Okay, 1 ringgit plus minus lah. Okay, could be around 102 there. Okay, also is a 50 MA. Since we can see these 2 days is a profit taking activities, so maybe if they press down further to here, only consider. Okay, otherwise, if they fail to stay above 1 ringgit, cut loss already. Okay, they might go to 930 or 885. Okay, Amulus. Amulus, they are heading to 370. Okay, Amulus, if we scroll out and see 370, why I put here? Yeah, I think because of here, 2018 support resistance. And their next stronger is about 320 already lah. Let me see. Overall, they are still very weak. Okay, even last Friday they do have a hammer, but the volume, not so high lah. Okay, volume is low. So I think okay, include today closing consider neutral. So if the next few days they can sideway over here, maybe you can do some rebound trade. Okay, and cut loss if go below 370, or we can use today's Friday's low. Okay, which is about 375. Go below 375, cut loss. And if they can bounce off, I think it's a gap lah. Maybe they can fill the gap, this gap. Okay, so their next resistance 430. Okay, this is I think the most is just a rebound trade lah. Okay, and the sentiment is quite bearish, quite bearish. Index will back to 1006 or not end of this year. Tentatively, I see cannot. Okay. Okay, because today closing price about 1397 lah. Okay. So we can see the big trend they are still downtrend Okay, unless I think one of the reason is inflation and interest rate lah. Okay, if they keep rising up the interest rate, I don't think this is good for the market. Okay, so we walk one step, look one step lah. Okay, because for now I think it's still early to predict that they can go under 1006 or where lah. Okay, I think a conservative level I think could be around 1.4 something lah. Okay, maybe 1.4, yeah, 1.4 or 1.5 lah, 1005 there lah. I think it's still acceptable or reasonable level, but still early to judge lah. Okay, I prefer we review weekly by weekly. Okay, is better. Okay, Surya. Okay, this is the for me it's in liquid counters. Okay, they are in the downtrend since March until now. Okay, they are keep pressure by the 20 MA. Okay, the red line. Okay, recent rebound they do hit 200 MA and gonna press down. So tentatively for these counters, if we look at the gap support, okay, I would say around here, 102. Okay, 102. And psychology level, 1 ringgit. Okay, 1 ringgit, 102 is their immediate support. If fail to hold, okay, next support could be 940. Okay, next is after Surya Hata. Okay, to be honest, Hata structure, okay, the setup, it looks much better than Top Glove. Okay, Top Glove is still like they are still selling. Okay, but Hata at least we can see the structure is more into sideway lah. Okay, unless they break below 150, then they will have further sell down just like this. Once breakdown, they will have further sell down. So tentatively, we can see despite top growth do have recently do have a sell down, but Hata still can get to supported lah. Okay, and if we zoom in and see, recently the price already go above 20 MA, which is about 158, and yesterday, Friday lah. Okay, Friday they break above 160. Okay, today closing neutral lah. So in my opinion, okay, even the MACD also looks much better. So in my opinion, this one maybe is a better choice. Okay, unless they fear to stay above 150 lah. Okay, if they break down, no game. Okay, if they can get supported, I think we can see 180, and if lucky, 2 ringgit there lah. Okay, so overall they looks better lah. Okay, based on the chart point of view. Yeah, if we go into, let me see, top growth, you see, top growth is still in the sell mode. Okay, they yet to stabilize. Okay, even though we look into the MACD, they are still weak. Okay, so for me, if to change one, choose one now. Okay, maybe I will prefer trade Hata lah. Okay, with my cut loss. Okay, if they close below 150. Okay, Pecha review. Okay, so far still okay. Okay, previously I do review before, and I do mention that this is a sell down. I remember on this date lah. Okay, do have a rejection, but the next day the bull made a comeback and recover above 895. Okay, and after that we can see these few days market is still they still try to stay above 875. Okay, and today break above 895. Okay, so far I think still okay. If you're already in, okay, we use the 20 MA as our guideline lah. Okay, as long as they stay above 855, I think you still can fight on. Okay, and their next resistance 935. Okay, if you just want to get in, I think a little bit risky lah, in my opinion. Okay, so immediate support 895, 875, and last defense 855. But they are still, based on chart point of view and the volumes, I think it's still okay lah. Okay, if they go below 855, then no game lah. Okay, SFP. Okay, SFP not so good looking. Liao. Okay, let me see. MACD cross down. Okay, and I think I do mention that they do struggle at 185, right? Many days already, unable to go through 185. So if they are unable to break through, they have to retrace. Okay, and today they break below this level 165, closing 162. So for their immediate support, we can use the 20 MA, which is around 158. Okay, so far we based on this few times, okay, they do supported by 20 MA. So this time, if they supported, do have chance to bounce off from 20 MA. But if they break below 158, then also indicate that short term they are no longer bullish. Okay, they have the potential to test maybe 135, 140. Okay, so watch out 158. Okay, important level. At the moment, I see it's a profit taking lah. Okay, CNE. CNEGREEN. Spell. Okay, this one also got a little bit divergence. Okay, even though this is a new counters, okay, back in May, but we can see some bearish divergence here lah. Okay, the price going up higher, but here is going down. Okay, slightly weak. Okay, for these counters today break below 1 ringgit. Okay, maybe we can use the 20 MA as our guideline lah. Okay, 980. If go below 980, I think not so good. They might go to 875, 880. Yeah, 880 lah. Okay, if fail to stay above 980, next level 880, and their last defense 840. Okay, so if tomorrow break this level, short term no good, and their next support zone is here. Okay, but if one day the price go below 840 need to be careful already. Okay, below 840 meaning that they already give out this uptrend. Okay, the price may go down very fierce. Okay, maybe 750 or 625. Okay, if they come down and get supported, okay, they do have a chance to bounce off. Okay, so 840 is an important level. Okay, take note. UMC similar. If you notice okay, just on chart most IPO counters they do have a similar things right? Okay, the high is getting lower. Okay, but doesn't mean that they will crash or what Okay, just a warning that the rally macam getting weaker already. Okay, so for UMC, okay, do watch out on their immediate support. Okay, they today already break down 20 MA lah. So if they can go down, you watch out 720. Okay, and the last defense 690. Okay, if go below 690, they are quite confirm they will go to 620 or even 560. Okay, but this is a warning lah. Okay, the high is getting lower, but we want to see when they test the lower whether can get supported or not. Okay, if they can get supported, okay, still got a chance to bounce off. But if they break down, meaning that okay, the trend already start to change to weaker and weaker. Okay, how about the past tag? The past tag bounce off. I think this one, if I'm not mistaken, last week we do have a case studies, right? And I do mention that as long as they stay above 275, which they really supported, okay, they do have a chance to bounce off to test, okay, or to fill the gap, okay, which is about 335, 350. So we can see actually on Friday, okay, they do break out above 20 MA, okay, despite low volumes, okay, Friday breakout no volumes, but today they do spike out with volumes, okay, and break above 30 cents already. So I think based on this momentum, they do have a potential to hit 335 lah. Okay, if they can clear off, then we can see this level lah, 350 also nearby the 50 MA. Okay, hold on the MACD also okay. So I think the rebound is still valid unless okay tomorrow they straight go below 30 cents then no game lah. Okay, this is a forced breakout already. Then market might sideways or break down. Okay, KPJ. KPJ, they do have a breakdown, okay? Breakdown on 19th of September. They keep get resisted by 825. Okay, but this one, to be honest, I think not so good looking lah. Downtrend, the only thing can save them maybe is this one, 795. Okay, we see back in July, okay, they do have rebound from 795. Okay, Friday they do have a strong sell down, break below 795. But today they do have a bullish candle, recover. Okay, close at 810. But the only thing is no volume. Okay, the volume is super low. Okay, if you still want to do some rebound trade, cut loss if they go below 795. Okay, if really go below 795, I think really no good lah. But no volume, actually I'm not so confident that this bounce can go up too much. Okay, even they can go up, I see our resistance is about 825, 845. Okay, this is a KPJ. Okay, me entry 130. Okay, let me see. 30 today, 123. Okay, let me see. Okay, momentum is still all right. Okay, as long as they stay above 120, I think the chances is still there lah. Okay. Yeah, I think momentum is still all right. And today got some volume also lah. Not today, Friday. Okay, today is neutral. So seems like temporarily they want to keep their price above 120. I think it's still all right. So their next challenge is the 20 MA, which is about 124, 128. Okay, 124, 128. Once they can clear off 128, should be quite safe already. Okay, then we only see, uh, yeah, I think it's about near your entry price, 132. Okay, here and also 50 MA. But I think got chance lah. Okay, still okay, still okay. But don't go below 120 lah. Okay, side park. Okay, let me see. Okay, side park. One, two. Wow, side park, they are quite volatile. Okay. You entry 430. Okay, consider still okay. The only thing we need to take note, if we based on recent performance, back in June until today, okay, what we can see on side park. Okay, every time they rebound up, hit, gonna press down. One, two, three. Okay, 455. So your entry is about 430 lah. So if they can go up, you need to watch out. 455 is your immediate resistance. Okay, which already tested. Oh no, one, two, three. This one near lah, 4, 5. Okay, already tested 5 times already. So this is a strong resistance. Okay, unless they can clear off, you only look into 490. So yeah, so watch out on your resistance level lah. And for your support, maybe I will put 40 cents. Okay, as long as above 40 cents, I think it's still all right. Okay, my news, my news and red tone. My news rebound tapi no strength already. Okay, back in July, they do have a bounce off from 370, 395 and a rally up until they near the 100 MAs. Okay, they only filled the gap once. Okay, here they never filled. Let me see whether they got filled or not. Yeah, almost only lah, almost only, never filled and gonna sell down. So we can see recently they break below 20 MA, break below 50 MA. Okay, even recently rebound also keep rejected by 20 MA. So in my opinion, my news not so strong lah. Okay, quite weak lah. So yeah, even the huge volume on 28 also is a seller. Okay, so I think not so good looking. Okay, so maybe we can wait at the lower price. So for the immediate support, 405 lah. Okay, 405, 395. So yeah, 405 like that. Only KIV lah. Otherwise, I think not worth to jump in lah. And also, even today closing is a bullish candle. The volume is extremely low. Okay, so I think currently they are at the no man land now. Okay, so not a good support also. So wait for them to maybe come down lah. Okay, how about red tone? Okay, red tone hit resistance. Oh, this one just now we do a review already. Okay, so we can see they always get rejected when the price hit 475. Okay, recently just hit only, and today closing 460. So no point for us to jump in. Okay, when the price is retracing lah. Okay, so for red tone, I think we can wait around 440, 450 lah. Okay, we see any support over here. Okay, if get supported, you can consider. Okay, if they break below, okay, history, if based on the historical they might press down to 40 cents. IHH, IHH support is at 580. If we zoom out and see, this one is a big trend. Okay, 2019, March, July, January, or January. This one is 2020, January, June. Okay, so far they keep rejected or resisted by 580. Okay, so recently they do have a breakout lah. Okay, this is last year, right? Yeah, last year September they do have a breakout above resistance. So after sideways for 1 year plus, okay, finally sell down, turn into downtrend. Okay, temporarily they supported by 580, but I think they do have a chance to go down further. Okay, so ideal level, I believe you buy. Okay, you interested with this is for long term lah. Okay, so for me, ideal level is these two. One is 550, another is 5 ringgit. Okay, currently is at the middle lah. Okay, they do have chance to keep test 580 and rebound up to 6 ringgit. Okay, just sideways over here. But with based on the recent trend, we can see IHH is more to sideways one. Okay, they break up and sideways. Now break down. So what I see is they might go back to this zone to sideways. Okay, this zone. This is back in 2019 zone, 2020 zone. So they only spike out during this is 2020 September. Okay. Now I suspect they might go back to this zone, which is about 5 ringgit to 550. Okay, this is a more ideal level to KIV. Okay, Inari. Inari just now covered, but no problem. We can go through lah. Today, not many people also. Okay, so for Inari, they already break below 250. So we can see on 28th of September, they do have a strong sell down. Okay, they break below 263 with bearish candle. Right? This is a strong support back then, but they already break down. So after that, nothing much. And today, the price already break below 250, closing 247. Okay, based on this momentum, okay, if by tomorrow they still unable to recover back above 250, okay, we are seeing more downside lah. At least 240, 23 something. Okay, so we also need to depends on tomorrow. Okay, the Nasdaq the Dow Jones closing how. Okay, if it's bullish lah, okay, maybe Inari still got chance to recover back above 250. But if the closing is bearish, I think we will see around 240 or even lower. Okay, 237, 240. Only consider when the price hit around here. Okay, me just now cover already. If got time, I review back. Okay, MSC first. MSC. MSC, they do have a breakdown on 29 September. Okay, break below 145. But on the next day, okay, they able to recover back 145. But today, got a little bit pressed down, but the volume is low. Okay, overall for MSC, they are still weak. Okay, so what we can see the pattern sideways, breakdown, sell down. So what I suspect on MSC is sideways over here, but tentatively they are still weak. Okay, quite weak. Yeah, if they are unable, okay, still unable to recover back above 155 I think next level is about 125 already. Okay, and I more prefer to wait them to stabilize first Okay, stabilize first, and their immediate support 136. Okay, at the moment 136. If they break down, means that the selling is continue. Okay, might go to 125 or even lower. Okay, how about the Franken? Franken sideways. Franken is still sideways. They do has a huge volume on end of September Okay, 30th of September. This one is MACD is still weak. Okay, but they are still trading within the range. Okay, bull and bear still got chance. Okay, if we look into the Franken range, they are still trading within 260 to 290. Okay, still pending for the breakout either way Okay, bull or bear. So at the moment if we look at the price 260 is a support, 290 is a resistance. Today closing price 274, meaning that they are in the middle of the support resistance. Okay, so if you must buy, yeah, your cut loss below 260. If you have patience, okay, just wait for the price to come back down around 260 with your cut loss below 260. Okay, if they break down below 260, most likely 240 or even lower. Okay, and if they can bounce off, okay, watch out on this level 290, and also it's the 200 MAs. Okay, so now it's in the middle still guessing where they want to go. Okay, but overall, yeah, one thing I worry is a 200 MA is nearby lah. Okay, what if they bounce off, unable to go through? They might gonna rejected down. Okay, so I think we still set alerts around 260 lah. Okay, for the Franken. Okay, how about Poppy Bank? Okay, Poppy Bank, they do have a sell down on 29 September. Okay, what we can see on Poppy Bank, this is a sell down. Even though they have a rebound, continue sell down. Okay, pull back 2 days, but no strength. Okay, so 428 turn into resistance. Okay, today closing price is about 425 lah. Okay, no point for us to get in, and we know our resistance is 428 already mah. So one thing we can go in is when the price can recover back above 428 and get supported. Okay, maybe the closing price about 430 and higher only can consider. Okay, otherwise, okay, this is a resistance already. Their next support 412. Okay, and 4 ringgit. Okay, so I think now, okay, if we base on the so-called double top lah, okay, if we look into the chart lah, you can see one top, two top, breakdown. Okay, if we base on the double top projection okay, sorry. Okay, if we base on the double top projection, I don't take the full one okay, I got about here lah. Okay, if we draw down, their next target should be around 395. So to round up, I think it's about 4 ringgit. Okay, 4 ringgit is a more ideal level lah. Okay, based on the sell down projection. Okay, Koraja. Koraja is still Koraja, right? Koraja is still sideways. This one turned weak. Okay, for Koraja, today closing 80 cents lah. Okay, they are still sideways. Okay, but one thing what I worried for Koraja, if we look back, 875 is their resistance. Okay, or 870 lah. Okay, recently okay, nearby lah. 1, 2, 3, unable to go through, and 1, 2, 3. They keep rejected when the price try to pump up. Okay, what I worry is a seller lah. Okay, they try to jack out the price to sell. Okay, if we based on technical, yeah, of course, 780 is our ideal level. Okay, but I worried if they break down, the sell down will go down to 715. So your plan is, okay, you can do one thing is 780 with your cut loss below 780. Okay, meaning that if go below 780 or close below 780, cut loss. And another thing is just wait at 715. Okay, this is I think is a much stronger support lah. Okay, if we combine with the MACD, I think they are slightly weak lah. Okay, so I think the chances of breaking down is still there lah. Okay, it's quite high lah. Okay, so 780 is your first support, 715 is your second support. If go below, next level is 660 or even lower already. How about BJ Food? I think they are talk too slow already. Still got a few questions. Okay, BJ Food not good. Okay, they already break down 870. Okay, we can see the high is getting lower, right? Okay, and recently break below 870. And today break 50 and 100 MAs, closing 385. So seems like their next support zone is around here. So if I draw down, okay, next support zone 815, 780. Okay. So I think 780 would be the stronger one. Okay, would be a stronger one. If they break again, I think next level is about here already. 690 already. Okay, so I think we wait for the sell down over first or the price stabilize first. Okay, GHL. Yeah, tak berapa boleh they already break below 865. Wait, okay. What I notice here? 2018, 2020, March, extreme level 690. Okay, they do bounce off from 690 lah, but today no strength kena press down lah. So if you are interested, watch out 690. Okay, as long as they stay above, okay, maybe they have a chance to bounce off from this area, maybe to 865 or 1 ringgit. Okay, if we based on a historical chart lah. Okay, but if they break below 690, next support 530. Okay, but they are in downtrend so even they can bounce off, I don't think can go up too much lah. Okay, EP for D next D next is still sideways. This one is still weak. Okay, they are still weak lah. They are still below all moving averages. So their immediate support 750, 720. Okay, I think the next I still see nothing much lah. Okay, not much opportunity. I still see they are still weak. But if you want, okay, 750 is your immediate support, and your last defense 720. Okay, if go below 720, confirm not so good already lah. Okay, PIE PIE not so good lah. Recently turned into downtrend already let me delete all the lines lah. Okay, what we can see ever since they break down 200 MAs, they keep get rejected. Okay, so recently break down this level as well lah. Okay, or struggle at this level. Struggle at this level lah. So if you say one support, maybe 268. Okay, 268 would be a better place lah. Okay, today closing is about 278. Okay, 268. If this level unable to hold, 250 already. Okay, next is the Nescon. Nescom. Okay, recently they do bounce off with volumes. We can see. Wow, this one, if we base on the volumes, looks fishy lah. This one. Oh, every 3 days got volumes come in. This one, chun one. Third day got volumes, and recently more frequent. You can see the volumes. Okay, they still pump out. But I don't know whether they want to do a pump and dump or not. Okay, like here lah, back in January, February, March. Okay, so for them to pump out, they need to go above. Okay, minimum. They need to break out 430 first, and then the 200 MA 450. Okay, if they can clear off, maybe they have some rally lah. Okay, otherwise they hit 450 here, might kena rejected and continue sideways. And do take note lah, if based on the volume point of view lah and the historical performance you can see these counters obviously is a pump and down counters okay, just be careful. CPM. CPM it don't have I think it's CFM CPM I cannot find your stocks. Okay, I skip yours first lah. Okay, still got few question. Okay, metrics metrics break down okay, they break below the 200 MAs okay, which is about 148. Today closing 140. So if based on this momentum point of view, I think they do have a potential to hit this 131. Okay, was a resistance, now turn into support. Since the selling pressure is still there, maybe wait around here. But I feel their trend going to change already lah. Okay, although they are good uptrend counters but recent performance looks like they are going to turn into the downtrend Okay, if they break below 130 then need to be careful lah. Racing tech still sideways, still supported above. I think recently got volumes. This can see 23rd got a rejection, so we need to respect this level. Okay, 570. And today got pump out with volumes lah. Okay, so I think it's still alright. And if they can pump out, wash out 570. Okay, this level they need to clear off first. And then we only can see fill the gap lah. Okay, maybe 60 cents there or 635. Okay, but I think I think still have potential lah this one. Tech Tech they do have a bounce on Friday, but today open gap down unable to go through. So for Tech they need to minimum go above 340 first, only safe. Okay, because this was a support. Okay, they break down. Okay, they try to go back, but today gonna reject closing 332. So for Tech, I think we need to wait for the price to confirm go up above 340 or 350, only safe. Okay, if they can go above, then we only can aim 370 for ringgit. Otherwise, they might go back down to 325 or 320 there lah. Okay, Sita Global. Okay, last few already lah. Okay, we already times out. Okay, Sita Global. This one hit resistant be careful lah. Okay, can cabut already lah, in my opinion. Okay, if we based on the recent performance okay, this also not so frequent based on 2020 until now so far they not really go above 250 lah. Okay, even yes also can last for 1 or 2 days only. Okay, the most is 265. Okay, the most you can see all this while 2020 how many times already. Okay, they are unable to go through this zone. So for me, it's a place to protect. Okay, don't entry. Okay, so even you can see on 20th of September, even today, they also tested 250, but unable to go through. And the closing is like they do have a tail over here. Okay, so people want to take profit when the price hit here, high volume also, so they might press down lah. Okay, so Tiguan. Tiguan 1, 2, slightly weak. But for Tiguan, maybe we still can watch out. Okay. Important level watch out 250, 247. Okay, this was a resistance, now turn into support. Okay, as long as they stay above 247, maybe still got chance lah. But if they go below 247, I think be careful lah. Okay, and they do have a little bit bearish divergence over here. Okay, if they break down, not so good already. Okay, Coaster. Coaster also at the resistance 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, Coaster what we can see here resistance. Okay, so for me, Coaster, we wait for the price to revisit this zone 173, 180. Okay, wait around here. Only consider. Okay, let me see. Still got what? LGMS. LGMS. Okay, same lah. If you look I noticed most of the IPO counters they are starting to show weakness already lah. So be careful Ini sudah break below the 20 MA as well as they already break below 119. Okay, currently at the 50 MA lah, 106. But based on recent sell down, I think not so strong, not so good lah. Okay, they might go back to retest 1 ringgit or 99 cents. Okay, wait around there. I think if they break below 99 cents, I think not good already lah. Okay, now already not so good already. Okay, now you can see. So maybe they can just bounce off, break down, bounce off, break down, something like that. Okay, not so good. Maybe review again on Wednesday. Okay, since Wednesday we also got a live session now. You see, same up more also IPO also they do have a rally, but the high is getting lower, and today break below 850. Okay, if they are unable to recover back above 850 lah, okay, this one I think they might go to 780. Okay, so yeah, unless tomorrow they have a strong comeback lah. Otherwise, I think IPO counters be careful lah. Okay, Syscrop. Okay, last one last two Syscrop and Astro Syscrop so far. Okay, although they are getting weaker lah. Okay, we can see the high is getting lower, right? Okay, but they do supported by this zone Okay, 625, 660. Okay, especially Friday, they support with volumes. So as long as the price stay above 625, maybe they still have chance to rebound lah. Okay, but if they break below 625, no game already. Okay, they could form a potential triangle lah. Okay, if they can break up, they still can continue rally. But if they break down, no game lah. Okay, they might go back to where they belongs. Okay, last one. Okay, Astro Astro still got people watch Astro jialat lah this one downtrend Okay, if you do rebound trade, now they do have a chance for the rebound trade, which is about 755, 750 for the rebound trade. Maybe rebound to 820 like that only lah. Okay, if you plan to accumulate at 71 cents, okay, this is one of the. I think a stronger one would be around 685 lah. Okay, 685, 625. Okay, this is a better zone. Okay, if I think this year got World Cup, right? If the World Cup didn't stimulate the price, okay, I think after World Cup the price will continue drop lah. So far they are still weak. So even yes, I think okay lah. On Friday they do have volumes lah. Right, Friday got volumes. So today is neutral, no volumes. So I think today they do have some. I think still have some opportunity to do some rebound trade. Okay, but if you wait at the 710 there, I think better wait around 685 or 690 lah. Okay, about this zone is a better support zone. Okay, if they can drop until here lah. Okay, which I see if they break below 755, high chance lah. Okay, this is a support back in January 2021. Currently at here. If they can support it, do have chance to bounce off. If they break below, meaning that no more support already. Next support is around here. Okay. So time's out already. We overrun a little bit. So thank you everyone for your time to join our live Q&A, and thank you Sifu for having me here. And if you still haven't downloaded Sifu apps, please go and download now, and they are available in the iOS and Google Play Store. Okay, thank you everyone. See you on Wednesday. Thank you.